5 quick tips for Bootcamp students and IT graduates. 1. Polish your portfolio. Build a strong portfolio that showcases your coding projects and demonstrates your skills. Highlight projects that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Make sure your portfolio is visually appealing, well organized, and easily accessible online. A polished portfolio can leave a lasting impression on potential employers. 2. Network. Tap into the power of networking to expand your job opportunities. Attend industry events, join relevant online communities, and connect with professionals in your desired field. Building relationships and making meaningful connections can lead to job referrals, mentorship opportunities, and valuable insights into the job market. 3. Leverage internships and freelance work. Consider internships or freelance projects to gain practical experience and enhance your resume. These opportunities not only help you build your skills but also provide networking opportunities and potential referrals. Even if they are short-term or unpaid, they can serve as valuable stepping stones to full-time employment. 4. Research and target companies. Conduct thorough research on companies that align with your career goals and values. Learn about their culture, projects, and technologies they use. Tailor your job applications to showcase how your skills and experience align with their specific needs. This targeted approach demonstrates your genuine interest and increases your chances of standing out among other applicants. 5. Practice interview skills. Prepare for interviews by practicing common coding challenges, technical questions, and behavioral interviews. Polish your communication skills and be ready to articulate your experiences, strengths, and career aspirations. Consider participating in mock interviews or seeking feedback from mentors to refine your interview performance. Confidence and preparation can make a significant difference in your job search.